Everyone, how are you? I know you must be happy and your life is getting fine. I am Anita Chaudhary and in this video we will study about a novel and the name of the novel is Three Men in a Boat. Okay? But before we start our novel, I want to wish you a happy Holi. May your lives become more colorful, more peaceful and full of happiness. Happy Holi everyone. As I told you that in this video we will study about a novel and the name of novel is Three Men in a Boat. Three Men in a Boat. Okay. This novel is in the syllabus of CBSE board for class 9th. Okay. First, we will study about the summary of this novel and after summary, we will discuss about the main characters of this novel. Okay. So, let's start with summary. Okay. This novel has written by Jerome K. Jerome in 1889. This is the story of three men, Jerome K. Jerome, George and Harris. They are friends and they think that they are seriously ill. After consulting a doctor, they decided to go on holidays. Finally, they decided to go on a boat trip. After some contemplation, they decided to spend a week rowing up the river Thames with their dog, Montmorency. Many incidents happened with them during this boat trip. We will study about each and every incident when we will study about the chapters of this novel. Okay. Now we will talk about main characters. There are four main characters in this novel. Narrator. First, Jerome K. Jerome. Jerome K. Jerome is the main character of this novel. He is a friendly, caring and imaginative. He keeps his eyes and ears open and observe the man's and nature keenly. He is a history lover. Whenever he lands on an important historical place, he goes into a historical retrospect. He is humorous and witty. He is quite practical and he knows how and when to avoid the task of pulling the boat, which is hard and boring. Second main character is George. George is the second main character. He is a friend of narrator. He loves sleeping. He loves to get up late in the morning to enjoy his sleep. Whenever he gets up early, he feels very bad and irritable. He is not as jolly as narrator. He is fond of banjo. He is mischievous and practical, like Jerome K. Jerome, the narrator. Okay. Third main character is Harris. He is pretentious person and a very bad cook. He is moody person and suspicious by nature. Narrator does not like Harris and always criticize him for being lazy and uncultured because Harris always tried to appear more important and serious than he really is. Okay, fourth main character is a dog, Montmorency. Montmorency is narrator's pet. He is an fox terrier. Montmorency is a clever, adventurous and loves fighting. He had many fights in this story. Montmorency does not like cats. Okay. So I hope it is clear to all about this novel? That this novel is the story of three men, and they decided to go on a boat trip with the pet dog. Okay. In our next video, we will study about the first chapter of this novel. Then it will be more clear to you about this novel. Okay. Until, enjoy your holidays and like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you want to say anything, then say in comment box. Okay. Have a great time. Have a great fun. Bye.